Hi students, welcome to Nilagiri Degree College online classes. Today, now I am explaining about Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction, which is very important chemical properties of phenol. Okay, so in this reaction, phenol reacted with chloroform. Phenol reacted with chloroform in presence of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a NaOH. Chloroform is a CHCl3. So phenol reacted with chloroform in presence of sodium hydroxide at 70 degree temperature to form orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and parohydroxybenzaldehyde. So orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is a major product. Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is a major product. Parahydroxybenzaldehyde is a very minor product. Okay, let us see the mechanism of reaction. I am taking beginning compound sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a NaOH. Break down sodium hydroxide to form Na plus and OH minus. So OH is attracted proton from the chloroform. You can see the chloroform write down like this: CHCl3, CCl3H, CCl3H. So here I am shifting the bonding of carbon to hydrogen bond towards carbon. Okay, so what happened? Carbon is a negative charge, hydrogen is a positive charge. So OH is attracted on proton to form water molecule. So other byproducts CCl3. CCl3 is a intermediate. Now intermediate of CCl3, removal of another chlorine to form dichlorocarbene. So trichlorocarbene, removal of the one chlorine to form dichlorocarbene. So dichlorocarbene is a intermediate. And another one, I am taking phenol. Phenol removal of the one proton to form phenoxide ion. Phenol removal of the proton to form phenoxide ion. What happened? Oxygen is a negative charge, hydrogen is a positive charge. So phenol removal of the proton to form phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion reacted with intermediate of dichlorocarbene to form this type of compound. This type of compound reacted with water molecule. So water molecule H2O. Water molecule is a H2O. H2O breaks down H plus OH minus. So attracted on dichlorocarbene to form CHCl2. So removal of hydrogen. So hydrogen to carbon bond shift to this position to form negative charge. So this type of compound removal of two chlorines, attract on 2-hydroxy group, to form So to form this type of compound, this type of compound. This type of compound. So another step, removal of hydrolysis to loss of water molecule to form hydroxy compound, orthohydroxy compound. And last step, reacted with proton to form hydroxy benzaldehyde. So hydroxy benzaldehyde is a orthohydroxy benzaldehyde and para-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Two compounds are formed, but ortho-hydroxy benzaldehyde is a major product, para-hydroxy benzaldehyde is a very minor product. Why? Because ortho-hydroxy benzaldehyde, so inductive effect also present. So inductive effect also present of the ortho-hydroxy benzaldehyde. So ortho-hydroxy benzaldehyde is a major product. So this is about a completely Riemann-Tian reaction and mechanism. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫినాల్ అనేది క్లోరోఫామ్తో కలిపి చర్య జరిపించి NaOH అండ్ 70 డిగ్రీ టెంపరేచర్ వద్ద మన చర్య జరిపించినప్పుడు మనకు రెండు రకాల ఉత్పన్నాలు ఏర్పడడం జరుగుతుంది. ఒకటి ఆర్థోహైడ్రాక్సీ బెంజాల్డిహైడ్, రెండవది పారాహైడ్రాక్సీ బెంజాల్డిహైడ్. సో ఆర్థోహైడ్రాక్సీ బెంజాల్డిహైడ్ ఈజ్ ఏ మేజర్ ప్రోడక్ట్, ఎక్కువ స్థిరత్వమైన ఉత్పన్నము. పారాహైడ్రాక్సీ బెంజాల్డిహైడ్ తక్కువ స్థిరమైన ఉత్పన్నము. దీని యొక్క మెకానిజం తీసుకున్నట్లయితే మొదటగా మనము సోడియం హైడ్రాక్సైడ్ NaOHని తీసుకొని దాన్ని బ్రేక్స్ డౌన్ చేసినట్లయితే మనకు Na+OH- గా డివైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో OH- అనేది ప్రోటాన్ని అట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ప్రోటాన్ని అట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ మనకు వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ రూపంలో బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. రిమైనింగ్ కార్బన్ CCl3. సో కార్బన్ ఈజ్ ఏ నెగిటివ్ చార్జ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్. So another step, trichlorocarbon is a negative charge, removal of another one chlorine to form dichlorocarbon. So dichlorocarbon is a intermediate, this mechanism. So another step, phenol, take the phenol removal of the proton to form phenoxide ion. So phenol removal of the proton to form phenoxide ion reacted with dichlorocarbon of the intermediate, so to form orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. So this is very important chemical reaction of phenol. This is completely Riemann-Tian reaction and mechanism.